Hi, my name is Artyom. I work at Alimp. Lately I've been having troubles creating more content. I tend to spend too much time on a single video. Like for example, my last YouTube video, I've been doing it for 40 days. And that doesn't sound super productive. Too much time for such a small outcome. This is my attempt to create much more content, to try to level down the quality of the videos, but increase the quantities. I'm going to do a challenge for 30 days, and this is day number 1. And here is the lamp that I've been working on lately. It consists of 2 parts, as you can see, the base and the shade. The shade is printed in vase mode, so it's very thin. You can see just 1 layer. And this is printed in normal mode. So you don't need anything else to attach them together. Just like this, a little pressure, and voila, it's done, pretty much done. But for it to become a lamp, we're gonna need some other stuff. We're gonna need a cord and a socket. I'm gonna leave the links on my website. We take the socket and that's pretty much it. All that's left to do is to get the light bulb. Just close it up, again with some pressure. This light bulb is from IKEA. It's a little bit too bright for my preference. I'm going to show you a smaller one. Take the previous, this is the previous prototype. This bulb is smaller, it's G45, and I like how gradual it is, opposed to that one that's too bright. Now let me talk a little bit about the design process. This is my first prototype. You can see how different it is. It looks like a Greek column, and there are some things that I didn't like. For example, that the base is as narrow as the shade. I wanted to make it a little bit tapered so that it looks like a base. It has some mass. Well, that's the first one. This is my second prototype. You can see that I've added the taper. And for the next one, I actually wanted to check if the black PLA is gonna be transparent or not. I thought it's gonna be like a little bit transparent, but nothing. It's literally zero. Apart from that, you can see that I didn't like the straight shade. I wanted it to be a little bit tapered at the top part, and I added some legs. So you can see there are some. The next one is broken, but I'm gonna show you what I've tried to change. So the base is wider, now it's bigger. Now we can fit this kind of bulbs. They're bigger, G60 I think. And the other thing was that this part was too brittle. It was breaking easily. So I changed that. And this is more or less similar to the final design. We can see that this shade has geometry on top. It's blocking the light source, so you cannot see it directly. So yeah, that's how we reached this design. This system is going to be interchangeable. You can swap easily. There are going to be some different designs, like this one for example. This part is actually printed in vase mode, in marble PLA. That's why it looks like washi paper from Akari lamps. But I don't like this light bulb. I'm gonna show you which one I like more. But I don't have the necessary size for this shade. So you can see that this one, it's straight, so it can fit a bigger light bulb. I'm not sure how these light bulbs are called in English, but they get really hot, like quickly. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. So we can see it's a dimmable one, and it's very warm. Like the color temperature is very warm. And yeah, that's cute. And so that's it for today. If you like it, you can download this design on my website or Patreon. And there is a discount for email subscribers. So make sure to subscribe to get a 30% discount. Thanks. See you in the next one.